ta'ala wa barakatuh. My courtesy to our head of the Department of OBGYN and of course to our visitors, mga taga Cotabato, no? Karamihan taga Cotabato, fellow health workers, and our visitor from Manila, Dr. Stephanie Cagayan. Kaya pala nakita ko sila sa Grand Mosque kahapon. Anyway, alam niyo ba na merong batas na yung sinasabi nilang Expanded Breastfeeding Promotion Act of 2009 or Republic Act 128. Ito yung kailangan yung yung batas na ito is to promote and support breastfeeding. So lahat po ng tulad ng Cotabato Regional and Medical Center, itong workplaces namin dapat merong lactation station para po sa mga nursing personnel, and kailangan po may break yung mga nagpapadede o di kaya breast pump. And it also include in the curriculum of the sa mga estudyante. And kaya po ang Cotabato Regional and Medical Center ay meron pong ganitong activity kasi mandated po kami na magkaroon po ng public health education and promotion sa breastfeeding. Yan po yung Republic Act 128 kung hindi pa nyo alam. Meron na po yan, 2009 pa. So in behalf of the top management, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa Department of OBGYN for this initiative for celebrating the World Breastfeeding Month, and sinama nila yung Trophoblastic Disease Awareness Week. Actually wala sa nila yan, wala pa sa program nila, pero nandito si Doktora Sana meron na tayong subspecialty training dito sa Cotabato Regional Medical Center ng fellowship training ng trophoblastic diseases. No? Para hindi na tayo pupunta ng PGH. So, marami pong salamat sa lahat ng dumalo, sa ating mga kaibigan sa media for covering this event. And marami pong pamigay ang Department of OB. Marami po silang giveaways. So just sit back and relax and enjoy the program. Marami po kayong matutunan dito sa mga lay forum o mga lecture na ibibigay ng ating mga experts tungkol sa trophoblastic disease at saka yung about breastfeeding. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Thank you, Doc Dimaran, for the unending support to all the programs of our Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. He's just one call away. If we need help, he's ready to give us help, especially when it comes to the financial and especially the food and the prizes that we are giving out for our guests and participants for every program that we're having. So before we